Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we are just doing a current energy check-in. It's a small video just to see as to what you need to know right now, what you need to hear right now, anything important which you need to deal with, something like that. And yes, these are all general energies, so they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what's the message for Capricorns right now. So it's a message for Capricorns. Okay, so we have the Three of Wands. So you are ready to make a move, turning your back to a certain situation, but yes, prepared to move ahead in the new direction. Uh, it is just a pause moment or a waiting time for the right waiting. You're just waiting, or it's a waiting time for the right opportunity, the right person for your ships to come in. But yes, you are ready to make a move, and that is something which you are trying to have a clearer picture of, trying to have a clearer view or a perspective of. But yes, you are ready to move, you're ready to act here. You are totally prepared to make a move. The only thing is, it's just like get set go, and it's just you're just waiting for that go. Okay, let's see what that is for Capricorns. Let's see why is this Three of Wands here for Capricorns. So for the Three of Wands we have the Four of Pentacles, okay, the Four of Swords, the Sun, we have the Two of Wands, the Ten of Cups, Five of Wands, the Six of Cups, the Page of Cups, and the Page of Swords with the Empress. Okay. So Capricorns, you are closed off. You are right now closed off, not sharing much, not talking much, holding something. I really don't see that it is some sort of a grudge or something like that, but definitely you are hiding something from people. It's something close to your heart. You're holding on to it like a treasure, but then yes, you are not talking about it. That's what I feel. You are guarding it. What I am feeling here is it is something precious which you are guarding close to your heart, and you really don't want people to know about it. It is something which is giving you a lot of healing. So whatever this is for you, it is precious because you are getting healed because of this something or someone. Okay, you do not want anybody here to know about this, whatever this is, your treasure in your purse which you're guarding and holding it close to your heart, because it is something which is giving you a lot of healing. It is giving you that pause or that time to heal, and after that you are uh, feeling so happy and vibrant with this Sun card. So what I feel here is that whatever this is which you are sort of hiding from others and holding it close to your heart, it's so important for you because it is healing you from something, perhaps from something which you are turning your back to. Maybe whatever you are turning your back to was something which needed to be healed and come out of before you are actually able to make a move, and this is what this treasure or this something inside this purse which you are holding close to your heart is giving you. So whatever this treasure is, according to you, it is definitely not money. It is definitely a situation or a person. This is giving you that relaxation time or that pause time or the time which you needed to heal, so that after the Four of Swords, this is going to give you this happiness. Okay, this is something like that. That is why it is just a treasure for you. And then we have the Two of Wands, the Ten of Cups, the Five of Wands, Six of Cups, Page of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the Empress. So what I feel here is with the Two of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the Five of Wands, so again with the Two of Wands, definitely you are again, this is, now you have healed, you are out, you are now feeling very very happy. So this is, that healing phase is over for you, and now you are looking in for a commitment, you are looking in for stability, you are looking in for a relationship over here. But then there is something in this relationship perhaps about which you are still trying to take a decision on. Okay, there is something which is, maybe there is some thing which is it can be some inner conflict with the Two of Wands and the Five of Wands regarding this Ten of Cups. There is a person here who is your Ten of Cups. You want a relationship, you want a commitment, you want to move ahead with this person, you want a commitment, a long-term stability, but there is something here which has to be sort of solved, or there is some conflict or confusion within your head. And with the Two of Wands, what I feel is you are taking that time again to make a decision. That's what I feel. Okay, there is something in your head or in your mind which needs to be sorted out. There may be some confusion, so you're trying to take that time regarding this Ten of Cups, whatever this commitment and this relationship is for you. So there is a confusion here regarding this aspect of this Ten of Cups. So whatever this Ten of Cups is, there is some conflict here, and you are trying to, you're thinking about it as to how to solve it. That, I should put it that way. It is something like that, as to how to solve it, how to move ahead, what to do about it. It's something like that. It seems to be an unsolved issue perhaps, as to how to proceed in this relationship or how to deal with this relationship. It's something like that. And then we have the Six of Cups, the Page of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the Empress. So what I feel here is that there is something, it is, you're just trying to remember those happy times perhaps, as to, because you, maybe this is a state of dreamland, state of fantasy as to what to do, what not to do, maybe how to proceed towards this Ten of Cups, how to proceed in this direction, how to proceed or how to go and commit to this person. It can be at that also, because what I feel here is with the Six of Cups, the Page of Cups, and this, there is something here. It can be this person is from the past. With the Six of Cups, maybe you're reconciling with somebody over here, or it can be just that it's like you are having those, it's like daydreaming type of a thing and feeling nostalgic, remembering that person as to how it was and how things were, or just fantasizing about them. And then slowly, because you are definitely dealing with a relationship over here regarding which you want to make up your mind as to how to proceed, and that is what the conflict is all about in your own mind. And you are just in that dreamland type of a state as to how to offer, how to make a move. Okay, and then slowly you have the clarity as to how to proceed. That's what I feel, that initially it is at that daydreaming and a fantasizing type of a situation, because this person, I really don't think you've attained that person. You maybe you want to commit to this person, and that is why this confusion is about how to offer them love, how to open up, how to commit. It's something like that. And then that fantasizing type of a situation is there, and then slowly and gradually you are getting the clarity as to how to move ahead. And with the Empress, you're actually able to make that new beginning over here. That's what I feel. So there is a pause over here, which, and you're treasuring this person because this person is making you heal. The situation or the company of this person is making you heal, whatever this is. And once you are able to get back to your own self, and you are very happy over here, so you've done that healing aspect. Once you've dealt with whatever it was which needed to be dealt with, you are in a very happy place. And then you are just confused as to how to go about and sort of propose to this person, how to talk to this person, something like that. And all that imagination and feeling, having those memories and nostalgia, something like that. And slowly that confusion is over. You get the clarity as to how to move ahead and have a beginning with this person, with the Empress being there. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.